Well, for more on this story, we've got Arun joining us this morning to give us the insight into the Constitution Day. Arun, this particular day celebration started in 2015. How's been the journey when one looks at it over the last 6 years?
Well, the journey has been significant, and we know this fact that how can the generation next, or the next generation, or Generation Z, or the youngsters primarily can know the significance of Constitution. So that is the basic idea of celebrating the Constitution Day. That's number one. Now, we can be very much proud of our Constitution because India's Constitution is one of the longest handwritten Constitution all across the world. I mean, no other written document does exist as the Indian Constitution is. And as of now, in the Parliament Library, this handwritten document of close to 1.5 lakh words is saved there in a helium cases, primarily in the library of the Parliament. And now today, President Ramnath Kovind will of course be unveiling the digital copies of this calligraphed version or the handwritten version primarily of this Constitution. The idea is that how can youngsters of today can learn from the Constitution, because India's Constitution says that Indian democracy, or primarily India, is a democratic, socialistic, secular, and of course a democratic country. And of course, we have three important components when we talk about the Constitution: the legislatives, the executives, and the judiciary. Now, all these three work in tandem primarily. All these three work so that equality and of course, equality can be served, justice can be done to the people of our country. So whenever legislatives do draft any kind of policies, whenever legislatives come out with any kind of policy that is being implemented, the idea, the soul behind that policy, the initiative, the scheme is that how can that scheme can be equal in nature. The scheme, the policies do not distinguish between people in our country. It has to be democratic in nature. And that's the beauty of Indian Constitution: completely democratic, socialistic, secular in nature. And also for the fact that today, President Ramnath Kovind will also be, launching this initiative whereby, yes, digital copies will be launched. Indian Constitution translated, or the digital copy will also be available in 23 languages primarily. Regional languages that includes Assamese, Gujarati, Marathi. So primarily all the Indian languages will be covered. The preamble of Constitution will be read by the President Ramnath Kovind. Early in the morning, I just received an SMS from the MyGov which says that join President Ramnath Kovind in reading the Constitution, or the preamble of Constitution. And of course, I'll be joining that as well. And of course, you can also download the digital copy at how you have contributed in enriching the Constitution, how you have contributed, as far as the Constitution of the country is concerned, by abiding by the laws, rules, and the things written in the Constitution. So yes, you can also download the digital copy by signing up the page, and of course you can also download your copy of reading the preamble of the Constitution. So yes, indeed a significant day as far as the Constitution Day is concerned.
Arun, good morning. Shreya here. First of all, happy Constitution Day to you. When we talk about the Constitution, it is one book that binds the whole nation together, and a nation as diverse as India, where we value and honor all sorts of religions, communities, people. But when, we talk about the Constitution, most of us only talk about the rights. We forget our duties. And by duties, I don't mean, something very big that we're talking about. Small things that we do in our daily lives in becoming responsible citizens. I think we forget that, whether we pay our taxes and pay them on time, or we don't litter on the streets, or anything of that sorts. That comes first before, talking and fighting for our rights. Of course, that is also important, but our duties for the nation come first, isn't it?
Absolutely, Shreya. In Hindi, we say that Path Anek, Lakshya Ek, Rang Anek, Tiranga Ek, Rajya Anek, Bharat Ek. India is one. Integrity is something. We are binded by something that is known as our duties. Constitution binds us. This is the beauty of our Constitution, that there may be various states, there may be different colors, but the national flag is one. There can be different states, but yes, country is one. And of course, the constitutional duties, our duty are also important as a citizen of our country. This includes various aspects as to how to perform our duties to make this nation stronger. And that's the idea of the legislatives of our country, the executives of our country, the judiciary of our country, that how as a nation every citizen can come together in making the new India. So that's what the idea is. Even when Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, at that time, he started various initiatives that ensures that the youngsters of his state at that point in time, Gujarat, can know more about the constitutional rights and of course the duty as well. Because even Prime Minister Narendra Modi on various occasions of the Constitution Day has mentioned this point that yes, when it comes to right, we're the first to raise our voices that where are our rights. But when performing the duties, we are not at the forefront. So yes, indeed, the Constitution Day also gives a message to the youngsters, the generation next of our country, that yes, as far as performing the duties, we should be at forefront, be it an initiative like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, or be it various other initiative that ensures or that primarily binds the country together in making the nation strong, in making the country first, or primarily having that nationalist feeling, or ensuring that how can nation as a whole can prosper, on the path of development. So in that context, yes, the Constitution Day and celebration of Constitution Day is going to be very much significant. This initiative was started in 2015. This primarily was the idea of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to ensure that youngsters can learn from the Constitution. Yes, India's Constitution ensures that India is a sovereign, democratic, socialistic, secular country. So on the other side, we need to understand how can equality be there, and that's the reason judiciary, legislative, and the executives are coming together to ensure that how can a better country can be built. But citizens have also got their role to play.
Okay, one final word before I let you go, Arun. There is also an online quiz with regards to the constitutional democracy. Who all can take part in it? Is it open for all? Even school kids, they are at home. Can they be part and parcel of this particular online quiz that's been organized?
Well, I've already logged in on that page. I'm going to participating after 11 o'clock today. So everybody can participate in that quiz. That primarily ensures that you know more about the Constitution, that how it was written, how many debates were held, what sort of thinking went behind Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and the Constituent Assembly at that point in time, that what needs to be ensured, how researches were conducted, how various social parameters were, taken into consideration. So all these things are there in the quiz contest. So number one, yes, you can also read the Constitution, preamble of the Constitution in various or close to 23 different languages. You can download the digital certificate as well that you have participated in this event. And of course, you can also join and log in on this web page of the MyGov, whereby you can, of course, participate in this digital quiz contest that will enrich your knowledge about the Constitution and will also ensure that you know more about the Constitution and how can you build nation going forward, and of course can build a new India primarily.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Thank you and appreciate you joining us this morning, giving us insight into the significance of the day. And more than our rights, we also need to be responsible with regards to our duties towards the Constitution. So clearly an important day in history, an important day that's been revived, and an important day for every one of us to celebrate.
Absolutely, and I think